Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by taking the live image and making a copy. This protects the original. Once done, convert that copy to a smart object so every change stays editable. Now invert the pixels with image adjustments invert or the shortcut control or CMD+I. This flips every color value, which you need to inspect. Make sure to toggle the layer visibility to compare before and after, and note how contrast and midtones shift immediately when colors are inverted. Now refine where and how the inversion applies. Add a layer mask to the inverted layer and paint with a soft brush. Black hides the effect, white reveals it, so you selectively invert only the parts you want. Next, reduce the layer opacity to blend the inverted layer with the original, giving subtler results. If colors look wrong, try changing the layer's blending mode to color or luminosity. This keeps hue or brightness behavior more natural while still inverting other channels, which helps with skin tones and skies. To finish, decide if you want a flattened file for delivery or to preserve layers. Save a PSD to keep editability, or export as a flattened PNG or JPEG for distribution. Make sure color profile and bit depth match your destination. Once saved, double-check the inverted image on multiple screens. If you see posterization or banding, switch the document to 16-bit mode or add a tiny amount of noise to the inverted layer. And make sure masks are anti-aliased. This usually clears final artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.